Okay, so today we're doing an interesting video. I am doing DT at school, and we're going to be making stuff. I like cooking, as you all know, so I'm going to combine them together. I'm going to make a DIY spice rack, improvised. Yeah, my skin looks really good on this camera. Let's start making. First you would need wood, and these are loads of broken chairs because our chairs would get broken, so we need wood. So this is where I'm going to get it from. And by the way, I haven't even searched up how to do this. I'm just guessing, and don't try this at home in case you get hurt. Go ahead. So I've got my wood right here in the form of a broken chair. First thing we need to do is break it all apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this apart. This is going to be my first technique. Yes, I did it! Can you still see me? So I'm going to break this apart. Okay, so I'm going to find the tool book. I think Jay took it with him. So I'm going to try loosening some of the screws with my bare hand. Because here there are like screws all through it. Just need to somehow loosen them. And this one's coming apart easily. Hi, Ma. You know what I'm doing? I'm making a spice rack.
Ooh, now a lollipop.
So
And over here I'm making a jam.
So this part's come off, so it's a bit wobbly. Now I just need to work out to get all the rest of them off. And make sure you don't lose all of your screws and bolts and stuff. Man, out of the way. Oh! I can use this as a hammer. Ma'am, can you tell me if I'm in shock?
Yeah, you're in the shop.
So right now what I'm going to do is I've got these two tools, and I'm just going to try and take out some of the screws. If you're doing anything like this, you should wear clothes you don't mind getting dirty, and always make sure there's like an adult around to help you if something goes wrong.
And the adults are man and Binny. Man and Mum.
So what I've got here is there are screws on the inside section, and I'm just loosening them. Just to say, I have no idea what I'm doing right now, so if I was you, I wouldn't listen to me, but it'd be fun watching me try. I think I'm probably just going to time lapse this. I've got a screw. Since I can't get that part out, I found some more wood in our wood pile, and I'm going to use this for one of the sides, but move this screw. This one's a bit looser. Ma'am, can you try and come and help me, please? I can't get it out. What do you think taking this screw out is going to do?
I know.
This screw is ginormous. Oh no, it's not for me. I need help, ma'am. I don't know why I stuck this in the ground, but nothing happened. I'm trying to get... Oh, I'm trying to get these screws out and I can't do it. I think I need to do it at an angle. Oh, I'm doing it! See that, guys? As soon as I get help, I can do it. Can you see if I'm in shot now? I can do it. Emma, are we on camera?
Yes, you are. But your faces aren't.
My faces? What do you mean our faces aren't?
Make the faces aren't in the camera.
So what I'm doing is I have to put it in at an angle, get the screw out.
I need this. I need this.
Look, this isn't coming apart. Oh no, what happened? Okay, so
my brand new one.
Okay, Mum's going to try doing it now because I can't get it out. Can you get it out, Mum?
Not on the moment, no.
Always being careful with your handling tools. Shall I get a new piece of wood? Okay, so that didn't work. So now I'm going to go back to my old method. Genius. When trying to be proper doesn't work, try smashing it with a homemade hammer. Oh, it's got these screws in, but I need a wrench to get these out. Oh, only my fingers. Probably because before it was attached to the other pieces so it held it in place. Or something like that. I basically have no clue, but I'm trying to sound professional. So right now I'm just loosening the screws so these detach from each other.
Filming it, Ben.
Am I in it?
Yes.
So what
Just don't go that high, okay?
So what I did was I
Don't go.
sawed a hole into it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and fill it in to the hole. Made a hole and I'm just hammering it into the hole so the spices would sit on here. Do you like? Emma?
Yes.
But I just kind of forgot I needed to do the same with the other side. Oh, these aren't level. So this is how it's going to
eye.
Mum, I got sawdust in my eye.
I'm okay.
Apparently my idea wasn't going to work. They did helping me. And I don't exactly know what he's doing. But, you know, I'm going to do it anyway. Don't do this at home unless you've got an adult who knows what they're doing. Ooh, fancy. I was actually going to do that. I was actually going to do that, you know. I was. I said before that I was going to get a screw and put it there and drill them together. Yay!
Not very strong.
And we
Your shelf
have...
ain't big enough.
No! Wait a sec. I'm just going to go look at some more wood. So, since Jay has altered my plan, we've got this frame. And I just got this out. So now I just need to cut it. And then we'll drill through the sides to keep it in place. I'll show you when I've done because I filmed a lot and most of it I was doing it wrong. So I'll show you once I've cut this into the right size. I chopped my wood. I chopped it a bit too short, but hopefully it'll be okay. And now I just need to drill it together. Okay, now I've got the electric drill and I have to do what Jay did before and just drill through it just a little bit. So that's the right piece. So yeah, I'm just going to do that now. This is what I'm going to be drilling it to. This will go in here. So I just need to drill a little bit of the way through first. Which is a bit scary, but it'll be okay. I don't know how to do this.
Are you going to be able to put enough pressure on that, or is it just going to push it out? See what I'm saying? I hate to say this. If you've got a table, you can hook it over, so you can press down until it gets halfway through.
Okay.
But otherwise, it's just going to come under attack.
I'm just going to show you once I've finished it. Okay. I'm just doing it onto this table because this is kind of like bits and pieces going table. I'm really scared right now. So I've got to put pressure down on it.
Make sure you have an adult around when using it.
Yeah, and be careful, 'cause if you put your fingers on that too hard, it'll hurt. It's gotta be really.
Or if you're scared like Binny, get an adult to do it instead.
I can do it. You've got to put pressure down on it. Oh! It's all good. I'm just screaming then. They're just sitting over there, carrying on their conversation and screaming. Please. And then I'm getting really annoyed because this isn't working.
Are you decorating the spice rack or do you think you'll leave it?
I'm not sure at the moment, but you guys won't know, but I've been doing this for hours, haven't I, ma'am?
You've been doing it for about 3 more hours.
Oh, I'm starting to go further in.
DIY, will it work?
DIY does it. Yuck. DIW does it work.
Yeah, I'm not saying what it stands for, I'm saying, will it work?
So it's actually gone into the wood a bit. So I just need to drill till it's come. Now, just going to drill a tiny bit further in because then I can do it with the wood attached.
Oh, Binny, I forgot your peppermint tea's done. I just haven't got the
Yeah,
bag
because I'm
out.
going to have peppermint. Guys, disaster struck. I
little route you can do so you can just keep riding round
I
and
was
round.
supposed to drill it here, but I drilled it here. I need to start again. Guys, I'm not sure if I've done this right. Look, this is spinning and moving. I should have done it more in the middle. And this rope doesn't quite connect properly, if you can see. But I just need to try and drill it on this side so that hopefully it'll fit better. Guys, I did it. I removed the spice rack. It's got doesn't look the best and it's a bit wonky, but I did it. Look. Wait a sec, I'll just quickly do something. Okay, I'm going to see if I can make another shelf, but it's a bit wonky, but I'm quite happy with this so far. So I've been trying to make this spice rack for, I'd probably say about 4 or 5 hours. I've made one shelf, but I'm going to stop now because it's really loud with the drill and it's just taking a long time. But the last part you saw is the end. I might carry on tomorrow, but it's starting to get a bit dark. That's how long I've been trying for. So hope you enjoyed the DIY how to make a spice rack. Bye.